Hi friends, drawing mushrooms can be a fun, creative activity. Here, step-by-step guide to help you draw them. First, we have to draw the cap. Start by drawing an oval or symmetrical for the mushroom cap. Make the bottom edge of the cap slightly curved to give it a three-dimensional look. Now, draw the stem below the cap. Draw two slightly curved vertical lines for the stem. Connect the lines at the bottom with a gentle curve. Add color. Color the cap and the stem with shades appropriate for the mushroom type you're drawing. Friends, now add shadows and highlights. Shade the stem and the underside of the cap to make it look three-dimensional. Now add a base. Sketch some grasses, leaves or soil at the base of mushroom to ground your drawing. You can also add smaller mushrooms nearby for a cluster effect. We have to draw red cap with white spots, so we have to give some details. For a realistic look, add some shading or texture to the cap. Use darker shade for shadows and lighter tones for highlights. Friends, you can draw it easily. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.